Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GERN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, pretty interesting day. It started off very strong, and yeah, there was a pullback, but it really kind of depends on what sort of strategy are you looking at? What sort of time frame are you looking at? If you are into this for more so kind of just a big, broad time horizon of things, then yeah, the price was up and down quite a bit today, but nothing really happened. What do I mean by that? Well, nothing really happened in regards to this channel that the price has found itself in. And I talked about this channel in the past, but essentially the bottom of the channel, which is being denoted by that green line there, right around 365. Top of the channel up there, right around, I don't know what that's right around. I forgot, to be honest. Let's see what that is. 425. All right, that's what I thought. So 425, top area of the channel at resistance, and then 365, bottom portion of the channel down there at support. Now, if you're a day trader, then yeah, there was quite a bit of action today. It gapped up, came all the way down. So for those of you that care about more so a shorter term type perspective, the one level of support that you'd ideally like to see continue to hold is going to be in regards to that purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it. And so far, so good. I mean, this is an example that you could throw right into a textbook in terms of whenever the price has gotten anywhere near that purple line, it just continues to kind of just work its way upwards. Again, am I saying the entire chart is ruined if the price drops below that purple line? I'm not saying that, because you still have the bottom of the bigger picture channel down here at 365. But preferably speaking, yes, staying up above that purple line would make the chart as a whole look the healthiest. So as things unfold, it really still just boils down at the end of the day to what's the price going to do within regards to the overall channel pattern. Is it going to get a channel breakout up through the level of resistance, or an eventual channel breakdown where the price would break down through 365? Your guess is as good as mine. So grab some popcorn, grab some Sour Patch Kids, and let's see what happens with it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.